It's fine. You can still record. Oh my god, okay. Hola queers and welcome to Jake's Fireworks Show. Welcome back. I haven't been here in a while. Quick update. I don't have to update to you bitches. So today I'm going to do another makeup tutorial. That was terrible. That was a terrible British accent. I apologize. If you want to know what this look looks like at the end, keep on watching. If you don't, leave a hateful comment down below and fucking get the fuck out. So first, go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Blonde. Whatever. Next, I'm gonna go with the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. Let's do this bullshit. No foul language.
Yes.
So next I'm going to go in with the same concealer and a small concealer brush and actually clean up underneath my brows. Okay. After that, I'm going to go in with 3 different foundations. I have 2 of the NYX foundations Stay Matte Not Flat in 02 and 01. About Face Line Defiance Liquid Foundation. That is a mouthful. I'm going to mix these 3 together. It's not frozen in there.
Yes, already.
I deleted like. Next. Next, I'm going to go in with the Pro Contour Palette and I don't know what kind of brush this is. It's a Real Technique brush, a buffing brush, I think. And I'm going to go in with the contour color at the very end for the lightest skin. Does that sound good? Sound alright?
Yes, I'm Axel. I will get into it.
I'm sorry.
Why do you look so angry?
I'm just doing my makeup. I'm also going to go in with this darker color at the very end, go underneath here, and also do the same thing underneath my nose. After you're good and contoured, go ahead and start baking with air spun. I heard that gas. Felt in my soul. He said, me like you got a job so like to say the truth.
What's your phone?
My room. Oh, look at that. Oh. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the NYX Jet Black Eyeliner Pencil and do my waterline and attempt to draw a wing out like this. Wish me luck. If you see a bulge, don't be mad. Some of the most beautiful women in the world have gigantic penises. So next I'm going to go ahead... Next I'm going to go ahead and go in with my big fluffy face brush and just kind of dust off all the bake that I have on. After that, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my hard candy bronzer. After that, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the NARS stick highlighter in the color Copacabana. To finish everything off, I'm going to go ahead and go in with two different mascaras. The first one is going to be the Volumist mascara from the Sephora line. The second one is going to be the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced.
Well, if you have...
It's 9 o'clock.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. So we are done. This is the look that I literally only had 2 requests for, but that's okay. My first request, guys. This is exciting. Request more. If you want to talk shit to me, leave it down below, please. And also follow me on all my social medias. And I think that's about it. So, get hit by a bus. And good day, sir.